Right, 2.3. We went through this information, and also we have our cumulative frequency table there. Right, how many staff members drank fewer than 6 glasses of water during a day? All right, let's check this cumulative frequency table. So we have 5 members that drank less than 2, because saying here 2 is not included. And then we have 15 members that drank from 2 to just less than 4. We have 13 members that drank from 4 to less than 6. So the question says, how many staff members drank fewer than 6 glasses? So we have this group that was drinking between 4 and 6. We have this group that was drinking between 2 and 4. We have this group that was drinking between 0 and 2. So all these people drank fewer than 6 glasses per day. So we have to add this 13 plus 15 plus 5, which is 33, or you can simply read it from the cumulative frequency column there. Okay, so there are 33 staff members.